Hi everyone, welcome to Home Business Book Nook. I'm James Clark, entrepreneur and author of practical startup business ebooks designed to help you turn your business ideas into reality. Whether you want to start a home business, launch a side hustle, or become your own boss, you'll find affordable, easy to follow guides packed with real world knowledge and step-by-step instruction. All of my ebooks are available for instant download, so you can start learning today from the comfort of your own home. If you're serious about building a better future through entrepreneurship, you're in the right place. Browse the collection, choose the business that's right for you, and start your journey today. Visit my store, download your first ebook, and take the first step toward becoming your own boss. Don't forget to subscribe for more business tips, free previews, and new book releases. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to helping you succeed. Bye.